CMSV installation and deployment. First, double-click to run the CMSV installation package. Select the installation language, click OK to proceed to the next step. Enter the installation wizard and click Next. Then select an installation path and click Next to confirm the installation. Installation completed. Click Finish to enter the control wizard. Step 1. Database parameter configuration. The database file path and database backup path can be changed. After confirming that the path is correct, click Next and wait for the software to initialize the database servers. Step 2. A network address configuration. After confirming that the public and local network addresses are correct, click Next. Step 3. Web server configuration. Select a web port, click Next. Step 4. FTP server configuration. You can change the FTP file save path. Default port is 2121. Click Next to complete the configuration. Finally, based on the README.txt file, the platform can only be used normally after opening the corresponding port mapping.